Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about the type of loop in C language. So we can go ahead. Here we already know that there are three type of loop. First is for loop, second is while loop, and third one is do while loop. But in C language we are dividing the loop into two parts only. First is entry control loop. The example of entry control loop is for loop and while loop. Second is the exit control loop. The example of this exit control loop is do while loop. So let's see what is the difference between entry control and exit control loop. So you can see this flow diagram. So this is the entry control loop and this is the exit control loop. So let's discuss this entry control loop first. So in this case you can see this is the entry point. So in entry control loop, first of all, condition is checked, and if condition is false, then control goes out of the loop. But if condition is true, then body of the loop is executed, and after executing this body of the loop, controller go back to the condition to check the condition, and again if condition is true, then body of the loop will be executed, then again loop will be executed and test the condition again. If condition false, it means loop has stopped working and control is out of the loop. And what happen in entry control loop? In entry control loop, first of all, body of the loop is executed, and after it condition is test. If condition is false, then loop end, otherwise loop start again with body of the loop, right? So you can see the difference between entry control loop and exit control loop with this diagram. That the difference is in entry control loop, first of all condition is checked, after it body of the loop is executed. But in exit control loop, first body of the loop is executed, then condition is checked. Right. So exit control loop will execute it at least one time because condition is checking at the last. So this body of the loop will be executed at least one time. But here condition is checked at the beginning, so body of the loop will not be executed until this condition satisfies. So this is the main difference between exit control and entry control loop. Now we can see the example of this entry control loop is the for loop. So for loops comes under this entry control loop. So in for loop you can see first in an initialization happen, then condition is checked, then increment and decrement. So this is the syntax. Then after initialization and condition check, if condition satisfy, then body of the loop is executed. Now same for loop while loop, you can see first condition is checked, after it body of the loop is executed, right? So we can go further for this exit control loop. So in exit control loop, this is the do while loop that comes under exit control loop. Then you can see here first do loop executed, then here body of the loop is executed, then some increment or decrement happen, and at the end of this body of the loop, then while condition is checked. Means if condition is false anyhow, still our loop executed at least one time. So if condition is false, then still this loop executed at least one time, and if condition is true, then again this loop will execute second time, right? Thank you.